Welcome to Bestsellers Market. I'm thrilled to have you here today. In this channel, we dive into the hottest and most sought-after products on Amazon, giving you the inside scoop on what's trending and why. Today, we have an exciting countdown lined up for you. The best-selling wire products on Amazon. Whether you're looking for high-quality electrical wires, versatile craft wires, or durable garden wires, we've got you covered. So, without further ado, let's get started and see what makes these wire products stand out from the rest. Stay tuned, and let's dive into the world of top-notch wires. Counting down the top 10 best-selling wires on Amazon, at number 10, we have the Floral 26-gauge floral wire. This wire is more than just a tool, it's an artist's ally. Imagine working with delicate dried flowers, intricate foliage, or vibrant fresh-cut blooms. The floral wire is your go-to for reinforcing those stems, ensuring your floral arrangements stay as you envisioned. With 270 feet of bright silver wire, this isn't just about length, it's about longevity. It's the steadfast partner in your creative endeavors, ready to splice stems with precision, attach flower parts seamlessly, and bring your floral visions to life with elegance. The 26-gauge paddle wire, shimmering in bright silver, offers the perfect balance of strength and flexibility. It's not just wire, it's the backbone of your arrangements, providing the support your flowers need while adding a touch of brilliance to every petal and leaf. Whether you're a professional florist crafting intricate designs or a DIY enthusiast bringing your garden indoors, the floral wire is essential. Its versatility and reliability make it a staple in the toolkit of anyone passionate about floral design. So let your creativity blossom with Floral 26-gauge floral wire, where strength meets beauty in every twist and turn. Number 9 on our countdown of the best-selling wires on Amazon is the 20-gauge 304 stainless steel wire. This wire isn't just a tool, it's a masterpiece waiting to be crafted. Imagine the possibilities with 164 feet of this malleable yet incredibly durable stainless steel wire. Made from premium 304 stainless steel, it's rust-proof, ensuring your creations stand the test of time. Heat-treated and annealed for optimal softness, this wire bends with ease, making it perfect for a variety of projects. From crafting exquisite jewelry components like chainmail, beaded chains, jump rings, and wire-wrapped pendants to supporting bonsai trees and wrapping cords around tomato plants, vines, or climbing roses, the versatility of this wire is unmatched. The 20-gauge, 0.8 mm thickness strikes the perfect balance between strength and flexibility. Its bright silver color adds a touch of elegance, making your creations not only durable but also visually stunning. The slight variations in color enhance its unique charm, ensuring every piece you create is truly one of a kind. Whether you're an avid jewelry maker, a dedicated gardener, or a DIY enthusiast, this 304 stainless steel wire is your ultimate companion. Its exceptional flexibility, coupled with long-lasting durability, makes it an indispensable tool in your creative arsenal. Embrace the endless possibilities and let your imagination take flight with the 20-gauge 304 stainless steel wire. Next up, at number 8 in our countdown of the best-selling wires on Amazon, is the Beadalon 7-strand stainless steel bead stringing wire. This isn't just wire, it's the foundation of your next jewelry masterpiece. Crafted from 7 micro wires of stainless steel, stranded together and coated in protective nylon, this wire offers an exceptional balance of strength, flexibility, and durability. Imagine stringing together beads and gemstones, creating necklaces, bracelets, and intricate beading crafts with ease. The Beadalon wire, with its 0.015-inch thickness, is designed for all types of beads, making it the best economy option for novice jewelry designers and DIY makers alike. What sets this wire apart? The clear nylon coating over the bright stainless steel gives it a sleek, professional finish, while the good drape and kink resistance ensure your designs flow beautifully. The flexibility of this wire means it adapts to your creative whims, providing a sturdy yet elegant base for your jewelry. A tip for optimal use: choose the largest diameter wire that will pass through the smallest bead hole in your design. For the perfect finish, Refer to the spool label to select the correct size crimp beads or tubes. Proudly made in the USA, Beadalon has been a trusted name in jewelry wire since 1976. Their commitment to quality and innovation makes them a leader in the DIY jewelry making and crafts industry. With the Beadalon 7-strand stainless steel bead stringing wire, your jewelry designs are only limited by your imagination. At number 7 on our countdown of the best-selling wires on Amazon, we present the TechUnite Aluminum Craft Wire. This isn't just any wire, it's your gateway to endless creative possibilities. Made from high-quality aluminum, this silver craft wire is both soft and incredibly bendable, making it perfect for sculpting, armature, and DIY jewelry making. Imagine the ease of shaping this 3 mm thick wire, which is significantly stronger than your typical aluminum wire. With 32.8 feet or 10 meters on each roll, you have ample material to bring your most ambitious projects to life. Whether you're crafting doll skeletons, military models, or even unique bike models and blue melon cars, this wire is your sturdy foundation. One of the standout features of this aluminum wire is its primary silver color, which it maintains without fading or rusting. This ensures your creations remain vibrant and durable over time. Its good flexibility and durability mean it can handle the twists and turns of your creative journey without breaking. But the versatility doesn't stop there. You can wrap this aluminum wire with cloth and sew it into a stylish hairband, or use it for bonsai modeling, adding a touch of elegance to your plant arrangements. Need support for a flower shelf? This wire has got you covered. The TechUnite Aluminum Craft Wire is not just a material, it's an invitation to explore, create, and innovate. So let your imagination soar and transform this wire into your next masterpiece. Landing at number 6 on our countdown of the best-selling wires on Amazon, we have the Floral 26-gauge Floral Paddle Wire. This isn't just any wire. It's the backbone of your floral arrangements and home decorations. Draped in a rich green color, this wire blends seamlessly with your floral creations, enhancing the natural beauty of your designs. With a substantial 270 feet at your disposal, you have the freedom to create, design, and innovate to your heart's content. Imagine crafting intricate wreaths, elegant bouquets, and stunning centerpieces that leave a lasting impression. Floracraft's paddle wire at 26 gauge offers the perfect balance of strength and flexibility. It's robust enough to support even the most elaborate designs, yet malleable enough to twist and turn exactly as you need. Whether you're an experienced florist or a home decor enthusiast, this wire is an essential tool in your creative arsenal. And while it might come from China, rest assured that Amazon stores and ships this product in accordance with the manufacturer's recommendations, ensuring it arrives in perfect condition, even during the warm summer months. So, elevate your home decor with the Floracraft 26-gauge Floral Paddle Wire. Let your creativity flourish and transform your space with the touch of an artist. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling wire products on Amazon? Well, don't get tangled up. Subscribe and press the bell icon to stay wired in for more amazing finds. At number 5 in our top 10 countdown of best-selling wires on Amazon, we introduce the Anezus 20-gauge jewelry wire. This isn't just wire. It's the heartbeat of your next jewelry masterpiece. Imagine the convenience of a sturdy spool, keeping your craft wire neatly organized and tangle-free. With 30 yards or 25 meters of high-quality silver-plated copper wire, this is your go-to for every jewelry-making project. The tarnish-resistant coating ensures your creations remain as brilliant as the day you made them. Perfect for beading, necklaces, bracelets, earrings, and a myriad of other jewelry crafts. The 20-gauge thickness, measuring approximately 0.8 mm in diameter, strikes the perfect balance between strength and flexibility. It's bendable, easy to work with, and adapts seamlessly to different types of beads and designs. Whether you're crafting intricate anklets, elegant wire-wrapped pendants, or sophisticated beaded chains, this wire is your reliable partner. But the versatility doesn't stop at jewelry. The Anezus craft wire is also perfect for floral arranging, framing, and even hair crafts. Its shiny sheen adds a touch of elegance to any project, making it a staple in your crafting toolkit. Let your creativity soar with the Anezus 20-gauge jewelry wire. With its high quality, ease of use, and versatile applications, it's not just a tool, it's an inspiration. Introducing number 4 in our top 10 best-selling wires on Amazon, the 18-gauge silver jewelry wire with 4-in-1 pliers by modacraft. This is not just wire, it's the complete package for your creative needs, a must-have for any jewelry maker or craft enthusiast. The kit includes an impressive 65.6 feet or 20 meters of high-quality copper wire, coated with a gleaming silver finish. This wire is flexible yet sturdy, making it perfect for intricate designs and durable creations. Its tarnish-resistant coating ensures your masterpieces remain untarnished and radiant over time. Crafted for versatility, this 1 mm thick wire is ideal for a myriad of jewelry projects. Think earrings, bracelets, rings, necklaces, and wire-wrapped pendants. But it doesn't stop there. This wire is equally suited for floral arranging, framing, beading, hair crafts, and other intricate handicrafts. The star of this kit is the 4-in-1 pliers, designed for ultimate functionality. With a rounded needle nose perfect for making wire loops and wrapping, a shaping hole for gripping and bending, a flattener for crimping and shaping, and a cutter for precise snips, these pliers are your all-in-one tool. Crafted with non-slip rubber handles and double-leaf springs, they ensure comfort and safety during prolonged use. Remember, for the cleanest cuts, grab the wire tip closest to the plier's top. Each component of this kit is meticulously crafted to make your creative process seamless and enjoyable. From making stunning jewelry pieces to engaging in detailed craft projects, the modacraft 18-gauge silver jewelry wire with 4-in-1 pliers is your go-to companion. Let your creativity flourish with modacraft. This kit is more than just a purchase. It's an investment in your artistic journey. Taking the number 3 spot in our top 10 best-selling wires on Amazon, we have the BENECREAT 12-gauge 100 feet silver aluminum wire. This is not just wire. It's the canvas for your creativity, the foundation for your craft masterpieces. Imagine working with solid aluminum that's soft and flexible, yet holds its shape impeccably. This wire is rusting and tarnish-free, ensuring your creations remain pristine and durable over time. With 100 feet or 30 meters of this versatile wire at your disposal, the possibilities are endless. The 12-gauge, 2 mm thickness provides the perfect balance of sturdiness and malleability. Whether you're sculpting intricate models, binding flowers, or crafting exquisite jewelry, this wire adapts seamlessly to your artistic needs. The shiny, vibrant silver color adds a touch of elegance to every project, making your work not only durable but also visually stunning. Packed in a customized box with a logo, this wire is protected and ready for use whenever inspiration strikes. BENECREAT offers high-quality aluminum wire in various vibrant colors and sizes, making it a top choice for jewelry making and crafting. From air plant sculptures to wire trees, gardening to fence decoration, Christmas tree and wreath embellishments to art doll making, the versatility of this wire knows no bounds. Craft little animal frames, bugs, necklaces, bracelets, and so much more with ease and precision. Embrace the endless creative opportunities with BENECREAT 12-gauge silver aluminum wire. It's not just a tool. It's an invitation to explore, create, and bring your artistic visions to life. Securing the number 2 spot in our countdown of best-selling wires on Amazon, we proudly present the Beadsmith Wire Elements 18-gauge lacquered tarnish-resistant copper wire. This isn't just wire, it's the essence of quality and versatility, perfect for your next creative project. Imagine working with a wire that's not only flexible, but also holds its shape beautifully. The medium temper, or half-hard wire, provides the perfect balance, easy to bend, yet strong enough to retain intricate designs. With a thickness of 18 gauge or 1.02 mm, this wire is the ideal choice for both beginners and seasoned artisans. Unfurling 10 yards or 30 feet of this gold-colored wire, you'll find endless possibilities for your creative endeavors. Whether you're crafting stunning jewelry pieces, scrapbooking, or engaging in paper crafting, This wire adapts seamlessly to your needs. Its tarnish-resistant coating ensures that your creations remain vibrant and untarnished, resisting fading and oxidation over time. The Beadsmith Wire Elements wire is more than just a tool. It's a professional quality addition to your jewelry making kit. Its durability and lustrous finish make it an indispensable part of any craftsperson's collection. So, unleash your creativity with the Beadsmith 18-gauge lacquered tarnish-resistant copper wire. With its exceptional flexibility, lasting shine, and professional quality, it's not just wire, it's the cornerstone of your next masterpiece. Finally, at the pinnacle of our top 10 best-selling wires on Amazon, we proudly present the Mandala Crafts Anodized aluminum wire. This is more than just wire. It's the ultimate tool for every craftsperson, artist, and DIY enthusiast. Imagine the possibilities with this 14-gauge silver wire, made from solid aluminum. It's soft, flexible, and incredibly pliable, making it perfect for a myriad of projects. Whether you're sculpting intricate designs, weaving wire for jewelry, or wrapping gems for stunning pendants, this wire is your versatile companion. Its bendability allows for effortless manipulation, while its strength ensures your creations hold their shape beautifully. The wire's shiny, vibrant color adds a touch of elegance to every project. And with its weather-resistant and corrosion-free properties, this wire is as durable as it is beautiful. Made for both indoor and outdoor use, it resists rust and tarnish, maintaining its pristine appearance over time. Think of the endless creative avenues: floral arranging, gardening, fence repairing, and even educational projects. This wire is perfect for making sculptures, necklaces, bracelets, earrings, ornaments, and so much more. Its continuous length and consistent color ensure a seamless crafting experience, and the color won't flake off, even when bent or smashed with coated tools. Packaged in an easy-to-dispense spool, the Mandala Crafts Anodized aluminum wire offers convenience and reliability. Its extra-long roll provides ample material for extensive projects, making it a staple in your crafting toolkit. So, unleash your creativity with the Mandala Crafts Anodized aluminum wire. Whether you're an artist, a gardener, or a DIY enthusiast, this wire is your key to crafting excellence. It's not just wire, it's the #1 choice for bringing your artistic visions to life. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling wire products on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top sellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.